So hey guys, what's up? My name is Amanshu. So as last year when lockdown happened, I was sitting at home and I was planning to learn some online skills. Online skills as in like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, blogging, or basically like the skills from which anybody can actually earn real money online. Okay. But I was stuck because I don't know what to follow, which course to follow, which method to follow. So basically, in short, I do not have any mentor to guide me. Okay, and that's when I started investing. I invested a lot of money on some useless courses, useless webinars, and all. And finally, after wasting a hell lot of money, I finally found one course which actually worked for me. Okay, and I think it will work for you as well. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about that course, and not only talk, I'm gonna actually share my screen and show you the inside content of that course and everything in and out about that course, and then you can decide for yourself that this course is actually worth it for you or not. So let's get started. Alright, so now I'm gonna break the suspense and tell you the course name. So the course name is DBA Mastery or the DBA series, and don't worry about this pricing, this is not the actual pricing. So basically DBA stands for digital marketing, blogging, and affiliate marketing. Okay, all these three things are covered in one single course. So before talking any further about this course, let's first see who is the mentor of this course and is he worth teaching us. Okay, so let's go on the Google and type hello Viru. Okay, so let's click on this about section. So basically the mentor name is Virender Chaudhary. He is a digital marketer and sales expert. Okay, and he has basically having 7+ experience in digital marketing, and he have almost taken 25+ seminars and taught more than 10,000+ students. Okay, and he has also been covered in Forbes and Mint and Z5, and he has also been featured in Hyderabad, the news channel, where he basically explained how digital marketing is changing the industry now. So I think this is enough for you. So now let's come to the course. So now let's actually see how the course looks like. So I'll just sign into the course. Yeah, so this is how the dashboard will look like. So here we have like 5 sections, so let's see each of them one by one. So first we have this free digital marketing course, so let's click on this. So this is basically the beginners or the basic of digital marketing. So here we have like week 1, week 2. Okay, so basically like every section or the every lessons are divided into weeks. Okay, and in 1 week you will get like multiple lessons and also the assignment, and you have to complete that assignment and upload it here, and their team will check it and review it. And also if you are not able to do the assignment, they have a support team as well, you can ask them. Okay, so this is how the first section looks like. Then let's go back again. Now let's see the advanced digital marketing. Okay, alright, so here we have again like day 1, day 2 type courses. So first he taught us about like advanced web designing, and then if you go to day 2, then we learn about the advanced Google ad, YouTube ad. Then we are gonna learn about the Facebook ads, and then social media optimization, and so on. Okay, so he has basically tried to cover everything, including those LinkedIn ad, Quora ad, native ad, Bing ad, and all. Okay, so basically everything you need to know about digital marketing, blogging, and affiliate marketing is covered in this course. Okay, so now let's go back again. Now we'll see the most important part, which is this live classes. Okay, so the thing is every week he takes a live class. Okay, it's basically on Saturday, and every week he tries to teach us something new which will basically help us to grow and earn money as soon as possible. Okay, if you'll scroll down and see, almost more than 60 live classes he has taken, and the length of the live classes are almost 2 hours. Okay, so basically he talks to us on live, and if we have any doubt, he will clear on live. And apart from that, he tries to take something new or tries to teach something new which could help us to earn money as soon as possible. Okay, so this I think is the most important part of this course, and I think everybody should attend his live class every week. So let's go back again. And apart from these 3, he has also is a digital tool mastery course, basically to learn digital marketing, many of the tools are required. Okay, so some of the important tools which everybody should know to start their digital marketing journey is covered in this course, and this also we get along with the DBA. Okay, so let's go back again. And apart from this, he has also his affiliate program, so anybody can join and do the affiliate marketing. Alright, so now let's quickly talk about the bonuses which we are going to get after buying this course. Okay, so the first bonus which you're going to get is the landing page builder, which is the seed prod. So it is one of the best landing page builder I've seen. If you'll scroll down, it's just like Elementor only, but more than that. Why? Because we are getting the premium version of it. Okay, so it has like hell lot of features which you can use and make your site beautiful and interactive. And if I'll go to the pricing here, you can see the basic plan is of almost $40. Okay, so yeah, we are getting this for free. Now let's go to the second bonus, which is the Qbelly. So Qbelly is basically, it's like a blog builder. Okay, so basically if you are creating any page or any post, okay, so we get like many features inside our post. We can add that and we can make our site more interactive. Like if you see in this video only, if you are writing any post or any page, and if you want to like add many features in that, like payment option or the links or the layout, that you can add with the help of Qbelly. Okay, so basically it is much more advanced than the WordPress editor. Okay, now the third bonus is the most important, which is the GeneratePress premium theme. Okay, so basically GeneratePress is one of the most widely used theme by many of the big people as well. Okay, why? Because first, the theme is extremely light, and second, your page speed will increase by using this theme. Okay, but the thing is that it's a free version, has only one single theme, which is a very big limitation for everyone. But thanks to the course, we are getting the premium version of this theme, which means that all the themes inside the premium version, we will get that for free. Okay, and if we'll talk about the pricing here, see the pricing here is almost $60. Okay, and we're getting that too for free. And if I show the pricing for this Qbelly, which I forgot, you can see annual the pricing is almost $39 per year, which we are getting for free. And now if I'll add up everything and see the final pricing, so it will be almost like $138, which will be almost equal to more than 10,000. Okay, and apart from this, we are also getting many other bonuses which we can see once you buy the course. Okay, and the best bonus is this live classes which we get to attend every week. So now let's talk about the VIP community group. So basically he has two groups. So one is this Facebook group. So it is a private group, so whoever bought the course got the access of this group. So if you scroll down, you can see the people are here really active. So basically if you have any doubt, any issues, or basically anything, like you have made a site and want to share to people, or like you have achieved something and want to share here, or you are facing any doubts in learning the course, then you should post here and the support team will get back to you as soon as possible. And apart from the support team, the other members here are also like quite active, and they also help you in your issue. Okay, and you can see the post here, like somebody is posting their site link, somebody is posting their doubts, and somebody is posting their achievements as well. Like this guy earned like $75 as a commission and all. Okay, so basically this is the thing. Now let's come to the second group, which is his family group. So the site name is like family.helloviru.com. So again, if you have bought the DBA course, then you will get access to this family group. So here also, like you have to help people. Like if anybody face any issue, they can just post here, and the support team and the other members will get back to you. And apart from this, they also have a support email where you can mail your doubts and they will reply back as soon as possible. And apart from this, they also have a Thursday and Friday live chat. Okay, so basically support team are active on the chat, and you can just paste your doubts on the chat and they will reply you ASAP. Okay, and also one thing, the people who have helped here the most, they will get cashback also. So now let's talk about the cashbacks. Okay, so what our mentor think is that we have actually invested our money to buy this course. Now first, people should at least earn back their money which they have invested, and then they should start earning. Okay, so for that he tries many things so that we can start earning from this course. Okay, so the first thing is that the events. Okay, so time to time he organizes many events and games where we have to participate, and the winners or the first 3 winners are rewarded with the money or the cashback basically. Okay, like for example, last week we had a game and the winners are rewarded with 15,000. Okay, so that is one thing. Now the next thing is that helping people. So basically this group, in this family group, they have a frontline support team. Like if you'll go here and click here, you'll see we have a frontline support. So basically frontline support mean those people who are active in this group and help the most number of people, they will get, or they would be rewarded with the cashback. So basically if you're actively helping someone, you will be rewarded with the cashback. Okay, so that is another thing. And apart from this, he tries to share new tips and techniques in his live classes to earn money through affiliate marketing, digital marketing and blogging. Alright, so before giving my honest review, let's first see what the course actually covers. So first here we are gonna learn about the basics of digital marketing, then we're gonna learn about the advance of digital marketing, then we're gonna learn about the web designing, then the blogging, then the SEO, then the affiliate marketing, and then the ads. Okay, and not only this, in the weekly live class, we learn every week something new about affiliate marketing, blogging or digital marketing. Okay, and in the live class, Viru sir also help people in getting jobs and freelancing offers as well. Okay, apart from this, let's talk about the bonuses. So in bonuses, we are getting almost 10,000 rupees plus bonus, and that too for free. Okay, so that is a great thing. Then apart from this, we also have a live chat support, and then we also have a support team, and the most important, we have a DBA community where people are really helpful and like-minded like us, and they're always ready to help each other. Okay, now let's talk about my review. Okay, so I'm telling you, like if you are really serious in like earning online, or you are really passionate about learning digital marketing, blogging and affiliate marketing, and you are ready to invest your time in this, then definitely you should go for this course, because I'm telling you, if you are really serious, you can start growing and earning from this skill very fast and very easily. Now again, here I'm not saying that after joining this course you are going to earn like 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees in a month. No, yes, you can earn, people are earning, but in an ideal case, you need to give some time, you need to give the effort, and if you are really giving the right effort under the right mentor, you are really going to grow in this field. Okay, so yep, if you are really serious and if you are really grow in this field, then just opt for this course. Now for beginners, this is one of the best course out in the market, because here under one roof you are going to learn everything like affiliate marketing, blogging, digital marketing, etc. So this is gonna be a best course for you. Just click on the link below and join the course right away. Now for intermediate, this course is again beneficial for you. I wouldn't say the course structure is beneficial for you, but the live classes, the community support and the one-to-one mentorship of the sir is going to be really helpful for you. So yep, again, you can also opt for this course. Now for those who are actually pro in this field, they don't need to opt for this course. This course is not for you. Okay, now very important thing, right now 50% off is going on this course. If you click on the link below and put the offer code as 50 DBA off, you are going to get exactly 50% off on this course, and this offer is for limited time period. So if you are really serious, just click on the link below and join the course right away, and let's meet in the live class. See ya.